Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're working with my client who has a special event to go to, and she wanted to get her waves redone, in which we did this with the comb. So we're just going to go ahead and do the shampoo process and do this style all over again. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please don't forget to also thumbs up this video before the end of the video and watch it till the end to see the finish. Now, to start the process, I did rinse all of the spritz that we used from the last service, and then I did a cocktail with our B7 shampoo and Soothe and Balance pre-treatment, mainly because she did have a little bit of itchiness going on. Of course, we used a lot of spritz, and then the B7 is going to also work as a volumizer for her already fine textured hair. Now, I know a lot of you are asking, why didn't I use the Elite Clarify first? I didn't use the Elite Clarify because I know we're already coming from a dry state in regards to using a ton of spritz. So I wanted to go straight into the treatment shampoo, and she has a shortcut and it's very fine in texture. So not all the time do you have to clarify, but I do highly recommend. Now for her treatment shampoo, I also used our Hair Repair and Restoration Shampoo 2.0, which is a part of our Hair Repair and Revive collection. This is definitely going to help to keep her hair maintained in regards to the healthy state, and it also has a slight amount of hydration for people who are fine in texture or even medium texture, or if you are relaxed. So you can definitely use any one of those products. Now for her conditioner, we're going to do an instant condition using our Hair Repair and Restoration Conditioner 2.0, of course. And then once we put that on, I'm doing an instant condition for her, but I wanted to go ahead and comb through it. And then I did put her under the dryer for about 5 minutes as a deep conditioning treatment. Now I know you're saying, well, 5 minutes, that's it? Yes, 5 minutes, you guys, because she is fine in texture and she has a definite shortcut. So a little too long of a deep condition can make the hair super heavy, and I did not want that to happen. So a 5-minute deep condition under the dryer was perfectly fine. Now once we finished doing her deep conditioning treatment, I went ahead and towel dried her, and then we decided that we wanted to do a purple color to her hair. So for us to do the purple, I went ahead and did her deep condition first, which is what I always recommend, and then I did a semi-permanent purple or violet to her hair. Now, of course, you guys can tell she's dark in color, but her grays are very prominent in the front. So we like to add color to her hair to just give her a pop of color all over, and then it just makes those grays no longer gray, and they will pick up the pigment of any color that we put on. So semi-permanent colors work really well for her. She's actually my client that allows me to really experiment with any color, and I really appreciate her trusting me because she has actually been my client for longer than Christian has been born, and Christian is 11 years old. So that tells you longevity. Now once we put the color on, I put on a processing cap and I allowed her to process and then rinsed her with cool water for us to go through and mold her. Now, as you can tell, that purple is nice and prominent. And then I used our Elite Silk Wrap Foam to actually do her comb waves. Now, I did not use any gel to do her waves this time. I found it's very easy to just do the comb waves because she likes them to be not so uniform. She just likes them to just kind of flow in any direction. And this time I just decided to go in a diagonal rather than a straight. And this is something that you guys can do if you have a shortcut and maybe you want to change. Waves are definitely easy to accomplish. Once I'm done with my waves, I normally spray her down with spritz, which you guys will see in the video. And then I put her under the dryer, and her dry time is no more than about 15 to 20 minutes. And these waves actually last her 2 to 3 weeks. So this is definitely something you can try if you are if your hair is short and you also have fine textured hair and you just want something different. Now, the waves can be done as finger waves. As you guys know, finger waves are done traditionally with 2 combs, whereas I decided to do the comb waves because they're very easy to achieve with a comb, and that's kind of the style that's in right now. Now with this, you do not have to connect your waves. You know, your waves can be sisters. They don't have to be twins. You can place them wherever you want, and the style still comes out really, really cute. So that's another reason why she actually enjoys doing the comb waves. And this time she asked me to do them a little bit smaller than I did the last time. So I did take it down a little bit when it came onto the size of the waves. Now once the waves have been completed, She will go under the dryer, and I always tell my clients, please don't move your head around in the dryer because you don't want to disturb your waves. If you disturb them, then we'll have to start over. It's just a thing, okay? But I wanted to also keep them nice and flat so she wouldn't have any problems sleeping. And then at home, she just used our goddess polish to keep her hair nice and shiny and also protected, and then used our Elite Hair Care scarf, of course, to cover her hair at night. I sprayed her down with some spritz, allowed her to dry, and then here is the finished product, you guys. So it's nice and firm. And to finish off, I just sprayed her down with some more goddess polish. The hair is not going to be disturbed, it won't move. And at this point, she's able to just go on about her day. Of course, she has her purple right now. Sometimes we do blue, we've done green, we've done almost every color you can think of, all the way up to hot pink. And her hair just always comes out amazing. But to finish off again, I did spray her lastly with some Pump It Up, and then I'm just using a diffuser just to make sure that everything is in place and nice and hard. And that's it. That's really it in a nutshell, you guys. Really, really simple style. Something you can achieve at home. It doesn't take a lot of effort, and it lasts a little bit longer than the normal short styles, which she always does anyway. So you guys comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about the finish, how easy this looked to you to be able to achieve it yourself. And then also don't forget, you guys, that we are having our 20% off sale today. And starting June 19th, we will have our Juneteenth sale that then rolls into Cancer season, which is your girl's birthday sale, where all of our products are buy one, get one free. So if you use code JUNE2024-1, you'll save 20% off today. Bye.